linked list. Write a function to delete a node in a single linked list. You will not be given access to the head of the list. Instead, you will be given access to the node to be deleted directly. It is guaranteed that the node to be deleted is not a tail node in the list. So the question is saying the node that needed to be deleted is given to us, and we should remove this and return the linked list. So if we need to remove 5 here, we are going to remove it and we are going to return this list. But not knowing the head of the linked list make it very complicated, because we don't know how we can remove this node and what the previous node is going to point at, but we don't know the previous node, so we cannot make a previous node to point at the next node, right? So this is what is making it complicated. But if you come all the way down here, you see it says there are some constraints here. The first thing, it says like at least we're going to have 2 nodes, and it says the value of each node in the list is unique. So using this information that the values in the linked list are unique, and that the node that it needed to be deleted is not going to be a tail node, using this information, what we can do is we can copy the value that we have in the next node of the node that needed to be deleted to the node that needed to be deleted, and then remove this one, because this way we know what is behind this node, what is the previous node of this. And this is a bit tricky question, and like if they don't provide this information here that all the values are going to be unique, it might be like kind of hard to guess that or ask the interviewers. But that's the beauty of LeetCode, so you get exposed to too many questions, so you get to know different cases. So let's see how we can do that. What we are going to do, we are going to say, okay, this node is given to us, and I'm going to copy the value of the next node in this node. So because we don't need to keep the value, right? So we are going to say node dot next dot val, which is going to be, for this case, we are going to put in this node the value 1, and then what we are going to do, we are going to delete this. We are not going to delete this. We are going to delete the next one. We are going to say node.next is going to point at node.next, which is going to be 9. So we are going to copy 1 here. So this is going to be 1, 2. And then we are going to point this one to 9 here. And this is going to be removed. And that's about it. So let me run the code and see. There you go. And the time complexity for this is linear and like constant, and the space complexity is constant as well. Thank you.